So right now I have less than 1,000 subscribers on YouTube, but I'm making more than $10,000 per month using AI. No viral videos, no big audience, and honestly, this should not be even possible. So how is this actually working? So in this video, I'm going to break down exactly how I make $10,000 per month using AI, even with a tiny YouTube channel. Now a quick backstory. Around 1.5 years back, I started posting videos on AI. So in this process, I have analyzed hundreds of AI tools. And over time, I have built a deep understanding on how AI works and how you can use it in real world scenarios. And here's something interesting. When you teach someone, then you learn actually better. So this process has helped me to turn my knowledge into real income stream. In this video, I'll show you 3 ways I make money with AI, the exact system behind it, and how you can start as a beginner. Make sure you bookmark this video and subscribe to the channel so that you can come back and refer it again. Now, if you don't know me, I'm Avdesh Saxena. I have 20 plus years of experience building large applications for Fortune companies. And for past few years, I have been researching on AI and sharing my knowledge on this channel. Now, income stream number one, trading using AI. So the first way I make money through AI assisted trading. Now, this is where my learning has paid off. So after testing so many AI tools and different techniques, I understood how I can use the prompt engineering, create a right prompt to get the results I wanted. And I was also able to use Claude Code set up in my computer, provided some of the data which I wanted. I also asked Claude Code to do analysis and then analyze trades which either I had in mind or the strategies which Claude Code or AI suggested. Now, quick caveat, I do mainly option trading, which is pretty risky. But I have a background in finance. I have done MBA in finance, and for past 10 years, I have been doing some amount of option trading. Though I was not very successful earlier, so I used to give up after some time. But when AI came, I started analyzing, and I tried to figure out how actually the big institutional investors they invest, came up with a strategy which reduces risk and is able to generate profit. So the strategy which I have developed is pretty conservative. It is related to selling options, but I'm able to minimize the risk and generate consistent cash flow. So currently, month over month, I'm trying to improve profit. So in last month, I had around $4,700 profit, and I'm hoping that over a period of time, this itself will be generating more than 10K or more revenue per month. So I'm using AI to find out different market trends, identify some of the patterns, and backtest strategies. And once I've made trades, I also upload my trades to Claude and ask it that, hey, analyze it and tell me how I should do future trades. But one thing to understand, this trading is pretty risky. There's not any financial advice, and make sure you're doing your proper research and analysis before investing your money. If you want me to share my trading strategies or how I analyze trades, leave me a comment below and I'll try to create a video on that as well. So income stream 2 is automating my Airbnb business and increasing its profitability. And this is one of the biggest transformation. So I built my own software using vibe coding. It's called leadhost.ai. And through this software, I'm able to automate a lot of operations. I'm able to, see what is the exact revenue. I'm able to do bookkeeping and automate tasks like cleaning and whatnot. And this is not only saving me money, but it is also helping me in identifying things where I can increase my profitability. So some of the things I use AI is first, pricing prediction. So most of the pricing software in market, they give you a general trend for a particular area. But I was able to combine last few years earning of my property with the pricing which different softwares were providing and come up with a model which was able to create a right price for my property. So for example, the software may say that, okay, in this area, 4-bedroom houses make say $300. but based on my house and how it has booked earlier on a certain date, the price might be different. It may be less, it may be more, but having the right pricing helps me in increasing occupancy and make more revenue. So because of, like, previously I was just breaking even, but now I'm able to generate positive cash flow. And currently it's a low season, but I'm hoping in summer the amount of revenue it generate is going to increase significantly. Now here also, like, I had some knowledge in Airbnb or this area, plus I had my knowledge in AI, which helped me in generating this revenue. So if you are a Airbnb host or related to this business, then leave me a comment or also try the software which I have built, leadhost.ai. Our revenue stream number 3 is getting paid to build softwares using AI. And this happened almost accidentally. As I started sharing, what I was building, different softwares which I have built, tools I use, people started getting curious. And some of them, they don't want to, learn AI or build it themselves. What they want is they have an idea and they want somebody to build it for them in a cost effective manner, and also something which can scale up. So, there are few customers who came to me and I built software for them, and that revenue also adds up, and this is something which I enjoy. So people now are coming to me and asking me to create AI powered tools or software for them, helping them in automating their business processes, also solving their business problem. I think in future a lot of people will not be using these expensive softwares or SaaS softwares which are available, where you have to do so much manual configuration, changes, and even adapt your processes. Instead, people will build a tool or software using vibe coding, which will be exactly mimicking how their business work, and will reduce costs and increase efficiency. So currently, all these three revenue stream combined, I'm able to make uh, around $10,000 or more. But I'm hoping that in future, each of these will be individually generating more than 10K revenue. And some of the additional revenue stream are going to come. So for example, leadhost.ai, there are few folks who have joined as a beta customers, again, by looking at these YouTube videos, and they are using it, and if it works fine, this leadhost.ai may itself become a separate revenue generator. So here's a real secret. AI provides you leverage. Instead of trading your time for money, you are able to build systems and softwares. So folks who are able to, experiment things, build new things, test out monetization, and they are able to make difference. When I started this YouTube channel, my main objective was to learn AI. If this YouTube channel grows, fine. Even if it doesn't grow too big, I'm able to, gain a lot of benefits through learning. So my suggestion is, look at your current business or your interest and try to see how you can use AI to scale it up. For example, if you are in social media as an influencer or social media manager, you can use AI to generate content and scale it up, grow your channels. Or, in any other business, if you have to create a website, you have to create a automation, everything you can do with AI. So see how can you use AI, and possibilities are endless. So in the previous videos, I have shared how to use Claude Code and different AI tools, how to do prompting. So feel free to go through those videos if you want to learn more. And if there's anything specific you want me to share, then leave a comment and I'll create a video on that. Don't forget to subscribe the channel so that you don't miss any of the upcoming episode. And you can also check out our previous videos to learn about some of the AI coding and AI agent tools.